guys, it's Marley here. So today we have a slime kit, and as you can see, it is the Nickelodeon one, and you can tell because the bottles say Nickelodeon. See, on the top, Nickelodeon. So before we start making the slime, I want you guys to comment down below if you guys like slime, or comment down below if you don't. So let's get swooping mixing. So first we have to add in some glue. I'm gonna pick clear because I like clear glue. So I'm just, pour it in. Oh gosh, I think you're supposed to pour it. Wait, no. You're supposed to use this. So I'm gonna pour this in here. I think that's enough. Now just pour it in here. It's going down. Okay, cup. Yeah, we really don't need this cup because it's going to take a long time. So let's just use the bottle.
You know how to do it?
Yeah. If you want to make like big slime, then I guess you're supposed to add a lot of glue. Have to add in a lot of glue. So it's melting down. I'm just gonna add some in here. So let me just almost dropped it. Okay, it's getting on the top. Okay, let me just pour some more glue in because you don't know if you want to make a big slime. And whoever subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications, and because I'm having a shout out, and for my next video, when I make another video, then I'm gonna say who I gave my shout out to. So yeah, and you guys are gonna win a slime, a Nickelodeon slime. And hit that like button and click my notifications. Follow me on Musical.ly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Some of those are the same, some videos are not the same. Some of you guys already know. Okay, it's right here. If you guys can't see, it's okay, it's just a video. And we have case right there. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to click on the instructions. So, how to add the color in. Okay, just forget about that. So, we're gonna add the color in next. Or, I just want to make clear slime, because I never made clear slime. So, next, I want to add in some purple and silver glitter inside of my slime. So, let's add in. No. Wait. There we go. I cracked the bottle a little bit. It doesn't matter, it's not gonna open. It's not like it's gonna.